480,000 Go-Founders, welcome you to the busiest month for Onpassive pre-launch, the month of product launches, the month of beta testing, the month where the chances of the soft launch are very realistic. Remember, we are Go-Founders, the 1% founders of Onpassive. Irrespective of how many have joined to date, we will always remain the exclusive 1% members. As a Gofounder, you have paid for a year's service to Onpassive for marketing, for running a campaign and generate sales automatically, without you really having nothing to do at all. Remember, whether you have 0 team members or a 100,000 in your team summary, it's the company's efforts that will generate the remaining 99% members and place them below you, build your team for you, and it's this 99% effort that will really make the difference, in terms of the compensation to each Gofounder in the next 3 to 5 years. This is a very realistic opportunity at $97 that we all Go-Founders should not miss sharing with our loved ones, friends and family. Take that leap of faith, belief, go for it, it's a done deal, it's real, we are in it to win it. Huzefa Handy, India, a Bill Must production.